Uh-oh, we're coming on another one. Let's see. Yeah, the ambiance here, you gotta come and see it in person. This video will not do it justice. Yeah.
It tells me it's not going to be very amazing.
No way this video does it justice. You gotta come and see it.
Prepare to be amazed. Hey, what's up?
You guys want to go ahead?
Oh.
Sorry, I told you I walk slow. This is the scary trail.
We're gonna head in there in a second. Let the fruit group ahead of us go ahead for a few minutes. All right, we're headed in here.
She didn't try to kill us. We're good.
Yep. We're in the maze. Ooh, look at this. Spooky mirrors. Hey.
Oh, you can see the start of the show. And like
Yeah.
8D or I don't know, there's a lot of mirrors.
That there is. Looks cool.
Kind of makes you want to take a selfie right here. I don't know.
Maybe. It might be a good idea.
It's very...
Try to take a few pictures, but I don't know how it turns
Oh,
out.
and I don't like. Do you think they have enough fog in here?
Mm-hmm. Definitely. Nope, no one's gonna pop out there. Definitely very narrow in here, guys. Ooh, spooky.
Okay, so far my opinion of the maze, if you didn't get enough of that bus, here you go.
Yeah.
Just like the bus chicken, you know, this is very narrow. And I'm a big guy, I'm just saying.
Yeah, it's definitely like the bus.
I have to turn my body. I guess that's serious.
Oh, that's narrow. This maze goes on forever. Yeah, it goes on forever, it seems.
Oh, we made it out? Oh, man.
Not yet. Almost, I bet. Whoa.
Oh, they got me there. Homegirl sounds upset.
It almost feels like you saw this before, but I think it's just the same.
I think we might have. We went the wrong way, I think. No. Yeah, we gotta turn around.
Are you sure?
No, actually, I don't know. That other way was the right way. We're gonna find a way out.
Yeah.
I heard a door close.
Oh, here we are. The museum. Ooh.
Ah!
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Why would you leave me? Why would you leave me? Why are you leaving me? Why are you leaving me? Why are you leaving me?
I think she needs to be left alone for a little bit.
This is why she's upset about us leaving. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's not very nice.
Look at these cool artwork stuff on the wall. That was great.
Go, go, go!
What the heck? That threw me off. I waited in line.
Okay, this is great. Look at the lights on the ground.
It's like animalized. I don't even know what to call that.
Yeah, Yeah, it does give you an impression of evil eyes out there, doesn't it, guys? Well, now we're headed to the maze. This is a cool area, but a very long one.
That's my girlfriend.
Headed to the maze.
You're my girlfriend, right? Well, don't act like you don't know me, bro. Don't act.
Alright, this is the maze.
This is a cool room. It would be great to do selfies in here, but I'm not sure how well it's going to show. But yeah, look at that. Very trippy. That's awesome.
Bro, they're spraying like galaxy gas.
Ooh, barely see anything.
Galaxy gas!
Here we go.
Bro, that was... Dude, they should like call off galaxy gas.
Definitely more tricky going through here. So I have the benefit of going through here already, so I kind of have an idea. Well, this section is pretty long. Much more spookier with the light off. Spooky. We're there soon.
Bro, I love how tight it is. Dude, Jacob. Bro, Jacob.
Here we are to the museum.
Girl, slap this creepy guy.
Lots of mummies and historical stuff in this museum. Lots of artwork. This is cool.
Bro, we've scared every